In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Make. Make, previously known as Integromat, is a powerful automation platform that lets you connect your favorite apps so they work together for you. Connecting Gmail is one of the quickest ways to start automating tasks like watching for new messages or sending emails automatically from your workflows. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, go to make.com in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look for Scenarios in the top navigation and click it. A scenario is simply an automation. Think of it as a flow that starts with a trigger and follows through with actions. To begin building, click Create a new scenario. This opens a clean canvas where you'll assemble your automation. On the canvas, you'll see a large plus button in the middle. Click the plus button to add your first module. A search panel will open. Type Gmail into the search bar and select Gmail from the results. Right away, you'll be asked to choose a module. If you want Gmail to start the automation when something happens in your inbox, choose Watch Emails. If you want the scenario to send a message as part of the flow, choose Send an Email. You can change or fine-tune module settings later, so pick the one that matches your goal. Next, click Add Connection. This tells Make you want to securely link your Google account so Gmail can be used inside your scenario. A Google sign-in window will appear. Sign in with the Google account you use for Gmail. If you work with multiple accounts, double-check you're selecting the one you intend to automate. The sign-in happens on Google's secure page, so your credentials aren't shared directly with Make. After signing in, you'll see a permission screen. Click Allow to grant the requested access. The exact permissions reflect what Gmail needs to do for the module you chose, such as reading messages for a watch trigger or sending emails for an action. Allowing these permissions enables Make to run your scenario reliably. Finally, save the connection. You'll see it appear as an available Gmail connection in the module settings. From here, you're connected and ready to continue configuring filters, folders, or recipients depending on the module you selected. Quick tip: if a pop-up blocker prevents the Google window from opening, allow pop-ups for Make.com and try again. Also, if your organization manages your Google account, you may need admin approval for the connection. That's it. You've successfully connected Gmail to Make, and you're ready to build powerful automations that save time and reduce manual work.